it will impact on the unity of the nation. We have gone through 4 republics, and the longest is the 4th republic. And this brings together all Ghanaians from all political persuasions to celebrate this silver jubilee. And I think it's a very, very important occasion for national recognition, for national unity, and to remind ourselves where we are coming from. There have been 5 military interventions, but we have had 25 years without military intervention, and we should congratulate ourselves for this stability. I believe that the president should continue to consult other political parties. The president should continue to get other opinions other than from his own political party.
You said continue. Has he been doing that?
Yes. He's one of the few presidents who have invited all political parties to the castle for meetings. He has invited all religious bodies to the castle for meetings. He should deepen it. It is important because we have one nation and we should not make it look like politics is dividing us. No, it is a very important symbol, and we should continue to celebrate this 4th republic because it is the most enduring republic that we have.
One of the points the president made, he gave credence to past presidents, past legislatures, but then he also mentioned the challenges facing the country, one of which is corruption. Now, the party's move to do away with the issue of corruption has to do with the setup of the Office of the Special Prosecutor, which we're hearing is going to be up very soon. What is your own expectation of this special office?
I believe that we have put too much emphasis on the Special Prosecutor. People have been prosecuted and sentenced, ministers, and jailed in this country without a Special Prosecutor. And therefore, the laws are very clear. We need it. It will help. It will accelerate and facilitate things. But we cannot say that without the Special Prosecutor, we cannot prosecute crimes. I don't understand. We need it because